It is hot outside. It is hot outside. The combine was totally empty before we started filling up. It was blinking red. It needed fuel. Whew. Wow. That was a lot of fuel.
300 gallons.
How many?
300.
300 even?
308.
Oh, thirsty girl. 308 gallons of diesel fuel. Grant is heading back to the combine, and I'm hopping in the grain cart to take this and the tractor to the field. The grain cart is empty right now. The top speed on this tractor is about 26 miles an hour, but I doubt we'll get close to going that fast. Better safe and slow than sorry. You would be shocked at how fast 25 miles an hour feels in something this big. It's really dusty out here. That being said, I think I'll stick to the safety of this microwave of a cab in here, at least until the dust settles down. While I have some downtime, I'm just going to go ahead and fill up the tractor with diesel and DEF. It is time to go get Grant from the combine.
3/4 full. I'll need you very soon.
There we go. Let's go get him. Whew, we are coming just in time. He is full. I should have been paying better attention. We reached the end of the field, so now I just wait here while Grant finishes unloading. He can move around and move the auger around to fill where he likes, and then he will turn around and take another pass.
I thought you could just pull ahead and bounce around.
$8:20, calling it an evening. That's way later than I was expecting to go.
All right, Gage, you can just meet me up at the front, and I will unload on you. Yeah, it's not like the moisture of the beans that gets too wet. It's like the stalks get too wet, and I can't cut them. They just don't flow into the head very good.